First thing you notice walking through a school this size, a community this small, is that you're not walking into a school. It's like you're walking into a home. This is a family. To see a community so close to each other is great, but it can also be tough when tragedy strikes. With only 84 kids in the whole building, you can imagine that when a junior or any student, whether it be suicide or the loss by a car accident or something, you can imagine how this would rock a community. I get the privilege and opportunity to be a source of hope to a community that has been rocked by tragedy. Let's be honest, we are all a mess. And that is the common ground that we must come together and pick each other up. One jam-packed day of counseling, motivating, and teaching the faculty the tools to dig themselves out of the state they unfortunately find themselves in.